That's where the gear shift is. I'm gonna do the light show. Check it out.
Let the windows down.
Mm-hmm. The sound ain't up on it, I think. Well, yeah, it is. I bet at night when it's dark outside and the lights bright as hell. And it's got like different themes, different songs you can actually do it to.
Really?
Yeah.
Feel like a movie, bro.
Yeah.
Light show. Light show. How them Chestnuts do? Go up and down.
Uh-huh. The Model X.
The windows keep coming up and down. Charge.
The charge open and everything. That's what I was just looking at.
The future is very bright.
And it's still
Put that as your
with
caption. The future is
The
very
future is very bright.
In the words of Thad Home.
Oh, bloody.
It's cool.
Right in the train.
Bye, yeah.
I don't have a clue.
That's where the gear shift. Do you see the gear shift?
Yeah, I saw that when I went over by Money House.
Yeah.
Wait today.
Come on. All right, car ain't on.
You had to push that right first, right?
Nah, you just pushed it. Then you can do either one. You can do it for either one. Then you can close the door. Watch this. Alright, motherfucker won't do it.
Yeah.
Bulletproof.
Sheet metal.
Still get your air blown off in?
Try and see if it's bulletproof if you want to, goddamn. That motherfucker might be bulletproof for a 22. This joint cool though. Oh, let me go park it. Look how big the windshield wiper is. Just the key. gotta sit the key right there. Sound cool. I mess with it. Literally, I had one in Miami for a weekend. It turned more heads than Ferrari, Lamborghini, whatever you could think. None of it got more attention than this. It was crazy to me. That's how you open the door. Good shit. Key. Here's the key, fam. It's a card. It's like a credit card. There's two of them. They come in there. You just sit it. You gotta sit it right there. Then the truck cut on. It's gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. It's gonna lie. And this is how you lock it. No, I don't want to lock. Gotta do it from this side. It's the cleanest, ugliest truck I've ever seen. That's how you unlock and lock it. Lock it. Yeah, it's crazy, fam. Then the bed. Oh, it's locked, so let me see. It's brand new. Literally ain't got nothing but 100 miles on it. Brand new. No bullshit. This look just like some shit I used to draw when I was in like 3rd grade. This shit crazy how they made this a real truck. This shit crazy. Actually pretty decently ugly. Like it's ugly, but it's decent. What you think about it, Thad? Bro, this is shit we used to draw, bro, like trying to draw trucks and shit. It's ugly, but it's different. What's different about it is nothing on it is round. Everything is like squared off. Everything's squared off. Nothing on it is round but the wheels. So if you look at a car, everything about this truck here is round. Everything. Whereas in this one is the total opposite. Look how squared it is. You looked at the inside, Toyo? Let me unlock it on this side.
And that motherfucker got windshield wiper.
Man, that windshield wiper bigger than motherfucker. That motherfucker so big. Just push it right there. Yup. Push it up. Yeah, that car is fresh. That's Maybach. Can't go wrong with the Maybach. My bad, Maybach. But this just different. This just different. This is different. This is different. Mikey, you say I got a tail on it. Bro, this like the, I know I ain't the only one to remember, but I know y'all remember. Bro, what was that little robot? What was that movie, Tonyo, with the robot, RG2? You remember that movie? Man, I can't think of that movie, man. It was a movie they used to play all the time. It was like a little remote control robot or something. Man, I cannot think of the name of that damn movie. I know one of y'all know what I'm talking about. No, I ain't slow. Damn, what was the name of that movie, dog? It was like the robot was riding around the city Trying not to get crushed or some shit.
That windshield wiper.
Man, that windshield wiper big as it. Watch how I'm finna cut it on. Watch how big that motherfucker. Yeah, that motherfucker huge. That motherfucker big as hell. You can sit in there and check this one out. It's just cool. You know, you can sit in there and play the game and everything. Watch this. You can play the game with the steering wheel. I got the arcade mode. Play the game. Restyle. Retry install. Oh, it ain't downloaded. They gotta download it, but.
That's all right. You ain't gotta do it.
Nah, I know it. 120. Yeah, I actually think I do. Doc came up here today when he saw me posted it, and they working a deal on it now, so pretty sure it's gonna be sold tomorrow. They just waiting. He been waiting all day. I've been waiting all day. I got like 3 people trying to buy it though. Huh? Yeah, about the Ferrari from Armandi. Yeah. Them folks, they got them a new whip. Yeah, they got them. They got a new whip. Yeah, new whip. Yeah.
So let me get you a Diana real quick.
Yes, sir. Yeah, she clean. I ain't gonna lie. She clean.